Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to review the Google Pixel 7a, the latest mid-range phone for Google that promises to deliver flagship performance and camera quality at a fraction of price. So is it worth buying in 2023? Let's find out. The Pixel 7 is a successor to the Pixel 6a, which was one of the best budget phone of 2022. The Pixel 7a improves on almost every aspect of its predecessor, such as design, display, battery and processor, and in some sense in camera. The design of Pixel 7a is simple and elegant with a matte black finish and punch hole selfie camera on the front. The phone is made of polycarbonate, which make it lightweight and durable. The phone also has an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance, which is rare for mid-range phones. The display of the Pixel 7a is 6.4-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixel and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The display is bright, sharp and smooth with vibrant color and deep blacks. The display are also support HDR10 Plus for enhanced contrast and dynamic range. The battery is about 45 mAh unit that can last for full day of moderate to heavy use, and it supports 18-watt fast charging via USB Type-C, but this phone cannot support wireless charging or reverse charging. These features you can miss in this phone. The processor of Pixel 7a is a Tensor G2, which is Google's own custom-made chip that powers the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro as well. Alright, the processor also has a Mali G7 8 GPU and an AI engine that enhances the performance and efficiency of the phone. The Pixel 7a comes with 8 GB of RAM and either 128 or 256 GB of internal storage, and the phone also runs on Android 13 out of the box, which is the latest version of Google operating system. If we talk about the Pixel 7a camera, the phone has dual camera setup on back with 50 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. The main camera has large sensor size. The ultra wide angle has field of view of 120 degrees and an aperture of 2.2. The camera quality of Pixel 7 is amazing, especially for its price range. The photos are crisp, detailed and well exposed with accurate colors and dynamic range. The phone also has some impressive features like night sight, portrait mode, cinematic panorama mode, motion mode and super res zoom. The video quality of the 7a is also very good with support of 4K resolution at 60 frames per second or full HD resolution at up to 240 frames per second. The video are smooth, stable and clear with good audio quality and autofocus. The selfie camera of 7a is 8 megapixel shooter with an aperture of 2.0. The selfie camera can take decent selfies in good lighting condition, but it struggles in low light situation or whether there are multiple faces in the frame. The Pixel 7a costs you around $400 for the base model with 128 GB RAM. Of course, the Pixel 7 is not a perfect phone. It has some drawbacks that you should aware. For example, the phone does not support wireless charging. You cannot see telephoto camera in this phone. You cannot see the high-end design and premium feel in this phone. Phone does not have micro SD card slot and phone does not have 5G connectivity. So these are the features which you can miss in this phone. But if you don't care about these features and you just want a phone that delivers excellent performance and camera quality and at affordable price, then I think the Pixel 7a is the best choice for you. That's it for my review of Pixel 7a. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Also let me know in the comments what you think about the Pixel 7a and if you are planning to buy one. Links is given in the description, and you can buy this phone from Amazon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.